Allergies are a common health issue that affects millions of people worldwide. They occur when the immune system mistakenly identifies a harmless substance, known as an allergen, as a threat. This misunderstanding leads to an exaggerated immune response, resulting in a variety of symptoms that can range from mild to severe. While the exact reasons why some individuals develop allergies while others do not are still being researched, several factors contribute to this complex condition. Genetics play a significant role in the development of allergies. If a person has a family history of allergies, asthma, or eczema, they are more likely to develop similar conditions. Studies indicate that children with one allergic parent have a 40 to 50% chance of becoming allergic themselves. This suggests that specific genes can influence the likelihood of developing an allergic reaction, highlighting the importance of hereditary factors in allergy predisposition. Environmental factors also contribute to why some people develop allergies. Exposure to allergens such as pollen, dust mites, pet dander, and mold can trigger allergic responses. Additionally, living in urban areas where pollution levels tend to be high may increase the risk of respiratory allergies. Interestingly, the hygiene hypothesis suggests that a lack of early childhood exposure to various microbes and allergens can lead to an underdeveloped immune system, which ultimately heightens vulnerability to allergies later in life. Another important aspect of allergies involves changes in lifestyle and diet. The increasing prevalence of processed foods, along with reduced consumption of fruits and vegetables, might contribute to the rise in allergic reactions. Furthermore, as people migrate and adapt to new environments, they may become exposed to different allergens that their immune systems have not encountered before. This shift can lead to the development of new allergies or even the worsening of existing ones. Finally, it's essential to recognize that the symptoms of allergies can be varied and sometimes serious. Common allergic reactions include sneezing, itching, skin rashes, and anaphylaxis, which is a potentially life-threatening condition. Understanding the reasons behind allergies not only helps in managing symptoms but also aids in identifying triggers and reducing exposure to allergens. Education about allergies and ongoing research is vital for developing effective treatment options and improving the quality of life for those affected by these conditions.